When you have 17 cats, there should be no room for bad litter. Hi, this is our honest review of Nana Pro Diamond Cat Litter. Let's be honest, this isn't the cheapest option, but when you have 17 cats, I cannot afford to have a smelly home. Just look at the video, no dust. Proven and tested ko talaga. And ang clumps, solid siya. Kung may maiwan man na maliliit na particle, madali pa rin siyang i-scoop. At if ever dumikit yung sand sa ilalim ng litter box, hindi siya stubborn. Hindi sasakit ang kamay mo kakahukay. Kahit fresh pee pa yan, solid pa rin ang clumping. Good clumping? Check. Almost zero dust? Check. And my other favorite feature, it's odor control. Parang wala ng pusa sa bahay, guys. Dahil pag Nana Pro ang gamit namin, walang bakas na amoy litter box. Check out our favorite!